Looks exciting. It's arriving, look. See?
Says see as if you can miss it. Huge.
First open. Can you hear me down there?
Hello!
It's quite a long way, this.
Hello? Boom.
So, do we have any rough ideas about stuff?
So, I'm feeling a lounge area here with a table, but I want the table to fold away because you want to create as much floor space as possible. So maybe nice an L-shaped seating, fold away table, big window there to keep it nice and light and airy. Then here, nice open plan kitchen. And I want it nice and bright and open, so maybe some big patio doors and a window behind so you can see both ways. And I want this to be a nice space, say for like a family of 4, where you're not overcrowded and you can cook a nice meal. And then down here is going to be bedroom quarters. So I don't know whether to do like a master bedroom and then maybe a bedroom with 2 bunk beds, or whether we have a nice kids-sized room down here where you've got floor space to play and the adult's bed is up the top. That maybe when the adults aren't using it, it could be pushed all the way to the roof to allow the kids a really good space. And then we need to fit in a nice family-sized bathroom in the middle as well. So I've got loads of ideas going around in my head. We just need to work out where to put everything.
Figuring this out. It's got a few little dings in it here and there. We will be straightening them out, but you'll never see the outside of the container because I want to clad it. It's going to help with insulation and it's going to look pretty. It's going to look large or something like that. So, but we want to fix all those because obviously all this corrugation really helps with the structure of the of the container. Yeah, there's a few little rusty bits, but we're gonna go around and prep all them, aren't we, and stuff like that. So we sort of stem all that. But yeah, it's just quite a beauty.
So up here, in my head, I've got a roof terrace with some decking and maybe some AstroTurf. But also we need to keep some roof space because this is going to be a totally off-grid, self-sufficient house. So we're not going to rely on having grid power, all going to be self-contained. So we're going to have a big area on the roof for solar panels. So the roof is a bit, obviously, it dips a bit at my weight. So maybe we need more bracing. If we are going to have a bit of a roof terrace, we're going to have to strengthen the roof up a little bit, because you don't want to feel as if like you're on a bouncy castle.
And also it'll hold water, won't it?
Yeah, so definitely work to do on the roof to get it solid. Because we do want to be off-grid, we've got to think about a water collection system. So we are going to harvest rainwater to be able to filter that for, you know, showers and things like that. I think for toilets we're going to go down the route of a composting loo. So we need to get our heads around collecting water, filtering it to be able to use it for showers and, you know, washing dishes, and maybe even filter it enough for drinking water. And maybe it'd be a really good idea to access the roof terrace from inside. So maybe you have a big hatch that comes back, and, you know, like maybe a staircase inside, but a staircase that also doubles up as storage underneath, or an ensuite loo or something. You know, there's so many possibilities. So it's trying to work out the best solutions and the best way of doing it to make the use of the space. So what we're going to do now is we need to work out the layout we want for our container. So we thought the most easiest way to do it would be to do a little scale model. So we've cut our plywood, so every 100 mil on this equates to 1 metre in the container. So we thought we'll plot all the sort of measurements out on this, and then we can get some paper and make like beds and furniture, and then we can move it round and see which layout that we like the best. If you want to follow our full build on our new container house, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, and next time we release an episode, YouTube will let you know. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Cheers.